birthday to you.
Okay, Levies, what do you want to say?
We miss you and I really, really love you.
Okay. And you know whose birthday also is soon is Shelly's. So we can say happy birthday to both.
Happy birthday, Shelly, too. Happy birthday, Frank and Shelly.
Okay, so are you going to sing something or anything?
Happy birthday to you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to Frank and Shelly. Happy Mother's Day to you. We got mixed up there.
Okay, hip hip.
Hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Okay, what else do you want to tell them? Do you want to tell them that we have a new member of our family?
We have a new member of the family called
Stand next to you.
Marley.
It's called what?
It's called Marley Party. Now get her up.
Let's see a picture of Marley. There she is. Hello, Marley. Marley, look at your auntie and uncle.
I can't see anything.
Turn her around. There she is. There's Marley being naughty. Okay, you can let go now. Okay, say bye.
Bye, Marley.
Levies, say bye.
December.
Levies, say bye.
Bye.
Sit up, please. Sit up, please. What are you going to say?
Bye. Bye, thank you, Daddy. I love you.
Bye.
The camera.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Can I see the video?
Okay, bye, Shell.
I want
Frank.